This is Eli's first time playing with Play-Doh. Eli, do you like playing with Play-Doh? What did you make? What is that? A woof woof. Did you also make a guy? Guy. Where's the guy? What's he doing? Nine-nine. He went nine-nine in his bed? Yes. How many dogs do you have? Two. Let me see. Oh. Is playing with Play-Doh fun? Eli, do you want to put the Play-Doh away? Should we put it away? No. What's that? What is that? What is it? Oh. Is that the dog's tail? Put it on. Put it on the doggy.
No.
No?
Mommy.
Mommy has to do it? Okay. Can you say bye to the camera?
Bye.